name's Amanda. I'm from Rowlett, Texas. I decided to do this because it seemed interesting and I was looking for a new adventure. The event is super positive. Damon and Diego are amazing and fun, and the energy makes it even better. I think this was a great opportunity, and I wish I'd known about it sooner. For somebody who's unsure about it, if you're unsure, then ask yourself why. It's literally laid out for you. There aren't other entrepreneurial opportunities like this out there where it's basically everything is there. You just need to follow what they're giving you, and you should be able to achieve greatness. And probably my most valuable lesson that I've learned is that your life isn't going to change if you keep living it the same way. You're going to have to take the chance. And then lastly, how would I describe David and Diego? They are definitely a dynamic duo, super knowledgeable and down to earth. Definitely someone I would want in my corner.